Well, so far the years began pretty dry, but we should have rain return this week. Probably see some on Tuesday with moderate to heavy rain looking a little more likely around Thursday. More after this. So, a real quick look at our next 7 days. Looking at New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Gulfport. As you can see, the beginning of the week is going to start off pretty warm with highs in the mid to upper 60s and then even lower 70s when we get to Wednesday and possibly Thursday. Lows will start increasing each day. And then we have a cold front that looks like it's going to move through here Thursday. That cold front, though, looks to be a little slow and should bring quite a bit of rain to the region across the entire area Thursday. However, rain does start to return on Tuesday, as you can see. And we'll see some isolated scattered showers on Wednesday as well. But the bulk of that rain looks to be on Thursday. And then we should see a cool down behind that cold front. However, there are question marks on how fast that front will be and how strong it will be. So, a real quick look at our forecast. As you can see, we have a cold front that's going to remain north of our region. However, on Monday, Tuesday, we'll see surface low develop across the western Gulf of Mexico, slowly moving across the Gulf and into Louisiana. It looks like sometime Wednesday into Thursday. And then, as that surface low starts to really develop, we'll see a cold front drift into the region Thursday and Thursday night with quite a bit of rainfall expected along that cold front. There are some question marks on how fast or deep that cold front's going to move. However, if it does start to slow down or even stall near the area, we may see some pretty heavy rain with this system. So why are we anticipating heavy rain? Right now, the image I'm showing you is what we call precipitable water. And what I'm really just trying to point out is that these values that are over southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, are about 1 inch above normal, and normal is right around 1 inch. So you're looking at about 200% of normal. With this much moisture in the environment and the setup we're going to have, looking like it could be it could be the potential for some rather heavy rain across the region on Thursday. And again, we'll see rain Tuesday and Wednesday likely, but Thursday looks to be the main time frame for rain. And what I'm showing you here in the next image is what we call the MBM forecast. It gives us kind of a probability of forecast for the region. The left side is the 25 percentile, and the right side is the 75 percentile. What that basically means is that left side, 25%, let's say if there's 100 models, 25 models show less than that much rainfall. And on the right side where it says 75%, only 25% of the models are greater than the amount of rainfall you see on that image. So you can see that even the low end has rather heavy rain for us on Thursday. So we're looking easily 1 to 2, possibly 3 inches across much of the area on Thursday. And combine that with the rainfall that we have on Tuesday and Wednesday, could see a widespread 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts throughout the end of the week. All right, what I'm looking at right here is the probabilities of seeing greater than 2 inches and greater than 3 inches. And this is, again, mainly for Thursday. And this is when we're going to see the bulk of our rain. As you can see, pretty high probabilities of seeing greater than 2 inches just on Thursday, with some of the regions seeing 50% or greater of seeing that. And then looking at the probability of greater than 3 inches, we have some locations that are around 20-30%. About 4 days out, it's pretty high probabilities of seeing greater than 3 inches. So we definitely need to keep a close eye on this as we move into the work week with, again, that threat of moderate to heavy rain looking a little bit more likely Wednesday night, but really on Thursday as that cold front slowly moves into the area. And now looking at our forecast from a standpoint of what we're forecasting right now with the actual rainfall, we're calling for widespread 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts. As you can see, most of the area is definitely in that 3 to 4 inch chance of rainfall. I mean, 34 inches of rainfall expected. So locally higher amounts obviously can be anticipated during these events. The big thing for us to watch is really the progression of the cold front and when does rain start moving in, along with do we get any thunderstorms? Because if we have thunderstorms, it's going to be pretty efficient rainfall, and with the amount of moisture I showed you earlier, that 2 to 4 inches may be a little bit on the low side, so we'll have to see how things transpire later this week. Thank you again for watching this video. Hopefully this was informative and you have a safe and hopefully dry week compared to what we're expecting. Thank you.